ay ang gamit from health primary purpose ng pera dahil special fund eh. Health purpose yan eh. Eh may batas tayo na illegal use of fund.
Opo.
Ginamit natin sa paraan na iba.
Katulad doon na bagit ko po.
And
From
one
health
thing,
to health.
ginamit
To
sa paraan na hindi related sa health. Yun lang po ang tanong.
Sa pananaw po namin, related po sa health.
Hindi nga, kung hindi nga po related eh. Gaya ng binigyan mo lang na bonus,
Okay.
bonus yung isang empleyado.
Ayun naman ay ginamit namin yung pondo ng PDIC
Oh,
para
yan po, yan po. Yun lang po ang tanong. Yun lang po ang gusto ko.
So when PhilHealth receives those appropriated amounts, it receives them as the premium payments of indirect contributors, Your Honors. So then PhilHealth accounts them as part of its premium revenues.
So, in other words, Attorney Hermosura, once there is a fund balance, this become also a general fund.
It is not restricted anymore.
That's
Your
why
Honor.
it becomes a general fund
Yes, Your
that
Honor.
can be used for any other purpose.
PhilHealth, under its charter, is required always to use its funds according to its purpose.
In
Your
other
Honor.
words, whether it be a reserve fund or a fund balance, those fund
Yeah.
shall be spent aligned with the purpose of PhilHealth.
But that doesn't take the authority of the national government, Your Honor, to tell the subsidiary like PhilHealth that the money that you are not using, your as the secretary has called it, idle funds.
Exactly. This is what I want to clarify. So that if a fund balance coming from the money of the PhilHealth, once it is categorized as such, it can be used for any purpose, not aligned or not aligned with the purpose of the PhilHealth.
If it is PhilHealth that will use it, Your Honor, it has to use it.
Yes.
It has to use it according to its charter. But the national government, as the owner of PhilHealth, can also require PhilHealth to pay to the national government what the secretary referred to as
Yes,
unused
Attorney Hermosa, I have no
excess
problem
and
with
idle
that.
fund. Yes.
What I am saying is there is here a fund balance.
Yes, Your Honor.
Now, this fund balance can be appropriated or used for any other purpose, whether aligned with the purpose of the PhilHealth or not.
Well, as I said, Your Honor, if it is PhilHealth that will use it, it has to use it according to its purposes in its charter. But its charter also, I would think, allow PhilHealth to remit back
Look,
that
I
fund
started
balance.
with unappropriated program, correct? So, we have several programs. Program coming from the PhilHealth, program coming from the Insurance Corporation, program from the GSIS, etc., etc., etc. Ang dami. Ngayon, kukunin natin ang pera ng PhilHealth dahil ito ay, according to you, is a fund balance, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
And this fund balance can now be used for any other purposes, regardless whether it is aligned with the PhilHealth or not.
PhilHealth is one of the many government-owned and controlled corporations, Your Honor. Like other government-owned and controlled corporations, it has to give to the national government unrestricted retained earnings.
I will go back. Kung minsan, kunin natin yung pondo, gagamitin natin sa pagpatayo ng building irrelevant to the purpose of PhilHealth. Parang ganun ba? Pwede yun.
Can I ask
Yes,
the
yes,
Secretary,
yes.
Your Honor, to give that?
kung mamarapatin po ninyo para makompleto yung kwento dito. Well, unang-una, katulad ng nabanggit ko kanina, inutusan tayo ng Kongreso na kung may fund balance sa PhilHealth, pwedeng gamitin para sa program. Ngayon, nag-usap kami ng mga economic managers at pinagkasunduan namin, gagamitin natin yan from health to health.
Yes.
Kung kaya't, ang unang pinaggastusan yan, katulad ng nabanggit ko kanina, yung 27 billion na utang ng ating pamahalaan sa mga frontliner. Mahigit 100 billion na ang binayaran natin sa panahon ng BBM administration. Pangalawa, Health Facilities Enhancement Program ng DOH. Dahil ang Universal Healthcare Law ay hindi lang tungkol sa PhilHealth, kung hindi yung kabuuang health ng taong bayan na pinangungunahan ng DOH. So as much as possible, ginastos natin ang pera from health to health. Isang halimbawa pa,
Opo, naintindihan ko po yun. Naintindihan ko from health to health. Opo, ang sinasagip
That is
ko po
correct.
ay
Opo.
from health to a purpose not related to health.
Lahat po, health
Lahat
to health.
pwede.
As far, no, lahat po health to health. Halimbawa,
Wag na tayong, kasi may kulang po tayo sa oras. Basta health to health, meaning health ang purpose. If ever that money, fund balance will be used,
Yes.
it may be for a purpose not related to health. Yun lang ang gusto kong tanungin.
ang ginawa po natin,
Gaya ng
health to
sinabi ko
health.
kanina, ginawang infrastructure.
Katulad po niyan, kung pwede ko ipaliwanag na mabuti yan. Halimbawa po, sa lalawigan ng Batangas, meron po ang 28 munisipyo, 5 syudad, 34 local government units. Meron po kami 12 district hospital doon. Sa Makatuwid,
Health-related po yun.
health-related doon.
Yes, sir.
So, there are 12 district hospitals. Sa Makatuwid, hindi lahat ng bayan may hospital. Kailangan mong tumawid ng 3 bayan para makaabot ka sa isang hospital. Nararapat na ayusin natin, halimbawa, yung mga tulay at
Alright.
kalsada
Alright.
para yung pasyente makaabot sa ospital, lalo na po yung buntis at yung
Alright,
nasa
maliwanag po
peligrong
yun.
kalagayan.
Basta
Opo.
ang kwan ko po, pinapaliwanag ko po, ay ang gamit from health primary purpose ng pera dahil special fund Health purpose yan may batas tayo na illegal use of fund.
Opo.
Ginamit natin sa paraan na iba.
Katulad doon na bagit ko po.
And
from
one
health
thing,
to health.
ginamit
To
sa paraan na hindi related sa health. Yun lang po ang tanong.
Sa Paranao po namin, related po sa health.
Kung hindi nga po related gaya ng binigyan mo lang na bonus,
Okay.
bonus yung isang empleyado.
Ayun naman ay ginamit namin yung pondo ng PDIC
Oh,
para
yan
doon.
po. Yun lang po ang tanong. Yun lang po ang gusto kong tanong. Dahil nililiwanag ko lang po
Maraming-
ang distinction ng itong tinatawag na fund balance at saka sa reserve fund.
Opo.
Kasi insofar as the fund balance is concerned, that may be removed from the budget of the PhilHealth and can be used for other purposes.
Only for the year 2024.
Yes, we are talking of this. Wala po tayong ibang pinag-uusapan na kundi ito.
Opo.
Samantala, kapag ito ay reserve fund naman, ito po rin ay galing sa pondo ng PhilHealth. Yes, at meron tayong limitation
That is correct.
how to determine the reserve fund. So
That is
pwede
correct.
siguro ulit si Attorney Hermosura.
Yes. Salamat po.
Pumunta na po tayo sa reserve fund. So maliwanag po doon insofar as the fund balance is concerned, we have defined what is the nature, what is the concept, and now the appropriation that may be allowed under the law. Now, we go to the reserve fund. Distinguish na natin. Ano po ang reserve fund? Pwede rin po ba ito gaya ng fund balance na paglaruan natin